Thank you, sir. Z-Man, count to 15 and walk with 2 chicken, big guy. Thank you. What's that? That's impossible. Oh, yeah? Okay, so you almost have it then, right? Okay. On you. You have them? Awesome, you go right on with them if you can. Thank you, sir. Lovely, can I see you for 1 second, please? Ms. Lovely. Thank you, sir. Ms. Lovely, make that a crazy fry and tuck it in for me. Thank you. That's you. Thank you. Thank you, Ms. Lovely. Thank you, madam. Thank you, Matt. Yeah, of course, anything else. Set up that dinner, sir, and fries in the basket for that dinner. Thank you, Zee. Maddie, let's go. Thank you, Maddie. Basically, one of the pitas doesn't have fries, bro, and I took from there.
Front door open.
That's it, it's good. So everything, no French fries? Everything, no French fries? Z, walk with 4 chicken when you have a chance, please, sir.
Front
Thank
door
you.
open.
Everything on it. Add pepper sauce. Add pepper sauce. 4, yeah. Everything on it. Add pepper sauce. Add pepper sauce. Thank you, Z. 2 and 2. 2 and 2. Thank you. It's okay. It's okay. Put a boxing glove on and give me a hand here. Go around me, Z. Crazy sauce, done. There's no French fry on this bad boy. Thank you, sir. I'll go around yours, man. Z, you're writing on yours, no fries. Thank you. Thank you, Z. Thank you. That's all you, Z. Go ahead. Go the whole way again. Z. Yeah, no, don't go for the dinners. You go for the scale. Yeah, get. Oh, you didn't? Yeah. Bring it. Get your thing for the gyro. It is? Awesome. Lemon juice it.
Front door open.
Whoa. Thank you. Thank you. Go to that one, Z. Does he go to the cash?
That was me, man.
That was you?
Yeah, that was my guest.
Was that a bill?
That's me. Yeah, no.
Are we coming?
Yeah,
No. Does he overlap me?
Some people are busy on the side, you know.
Is he? That's you. That's you.
This one's done.
Yeah, that's right. Here, Lizzie. That's done too. Remember, the reason why we did that is because there's no pitas, right? What are you looking for? Huh? What are you looking for? Tell me what you're looking for.
No, but now I see. You just put an extra.
I want potato because they don't want pita.